Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Currently set up as a 3-bedroom house and 2 separate self-contained 2-bedroom apartments. This is a great income earning property. Located in the quiet position on the popular Westgate Hills Boulevard, close to local shops and amenities. This property has 2 separate entrance gates, servicing the apartments and the house separately, with ample parking on both sides of the drive and within the integral garage. The land area of this house is 22,649 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.